Okay, the polar bears have caught our scent, so we're going to wrap it up on this slide right here.
And get the doohickey out of Dodge.
The doohickey.
That's not quite how that phrase goes.
Doohickey
Now,
indeed.
Now, maybe on that very first slide, maybe you thought that picture of that polar graph looked similar to something sometimes seen in movies. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Radar thing?
A radar thing. And so actually, I think they might actually use polar coordinates like for real whenever they're doing that
Shut
radar
the door,
thing.
No way.
It might. I don't know, actually. Because
Get out of town.
I will not get out of town. Why do you keep telling me to get out of town? It's so much pressure. Okay, let's draw a picture for our audience
like it.
to see what's going on. We have 2 planes on a radar, polar coordinates 8 miles at 110. So 110
let's find 110.
Is here-ish. Okay, and so 8, we would, basically the way you would draw this if you don't have that fancy graph paper is go out 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, there's the point.
There you go, perfect. Like 8 little rings right from the middle.
Yeah, but there were only 7 rings, weren't there? Though there was 1 ring to rule them all.
Yeah.
Okay, and then 5 miles at
1
15
ring
degrees.
to bind them.
Okay, so this way, 15 degrees. And we're going out 5, so just draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And doesn't have to be perfect or exact or anything. I did not need to make dotted lines. I'm not really sure why I did, but...
Because that's what the cool people do.
We want this distance right here.
How in the world are we going to do that?
This kind of looks like a triangle. Do you know that?
Shut the door.
No. Okay, so in this triangle, this length would be 8. This one would be 5. We want this side right here.
It's not a right triangle, though.
No, but...
So don't do the Pythagorean thing.
No, not the Pythagorean theorem. Actually, we need to figure out what that angle is. It could be a right triangle.
You know, it could be. I'm thinking not, but it might be.
How far is it from 110 to 15 if we subtract those? That would be
95?
What? 95. So it's close, but close is not going to cut it. So
this is not the Super Bowl.
So we're going to use the law of cosines because we have side angle side. So we're trying to find
it's coming back.
X. Yeah.
Okay.
So look at your unit circle card where you've got the law of cosines written. X squared equals, so that could be A, B, or C depending on how you want to label this. But we'd have 8 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 8 times 5 cosine 95 degrees. We just need to solve that on the right side, like figure out what all that is. And then square root both sides. You got it?
I'm on it.
You working it out?
Yeah, and I got 9.8.
9.8
Worked
miles.
out perfect.
That's so great that you did it that quickly on your iPhone, which that calculator app is not real conducive to doing
it's
a lot
reverse
of stuff.
Polish method, and I'm a reverse Polish method expert.
Okay, so they're 9.8 miles apart, so... that's great.
That answers the question.
That's great. We're going to head out and hope the polar bears, which that's our code word?
Code word? Keep to the code.
Okay. And we'll see you on the flip side.
In the further southern regions of the world. Not up here in the Arctic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good talk.
Okay.